under a nail. Sticker under a nail. Hi guys, it's DriftGP and today I'm going to play the game Torque Burnout Part 4. Part 3 or Part 4, I don't know. So let's get to the game now. Guys, if you have difficulty finding the channel, you can just turn the bell so what the videos are there, our YouTube channel comes to you. And guys, please subscribe my videos. I'm like giving a lot of efforts to these videos, and like you guys are not you're not subscribing, then this YouTube, then this videos will be like very, it will not be good. So let's get to the game now. Instead of wasting the time, let's go. Batman. Android P1 Android P1 and Android P1 and lagi बचाएं lagi बचाएं begin extract to SD and not begin extract to SD and ziggy ziggy dum ziggy dum again dum. Woohoo! Oh shit, maybe I crashed somewhere. So guys, actually I didn't want because the car is so big that it's so small, then it's very hard to me to drive also. Wait, I'll put that. Uh, no! I mistakenly pressed the garage button. I'm so bored of driving this car because this car is first of all small, and secondly, the car is like if I want to do any, but I mean if I need to do some 80-degree or something, I cannot do because this car is so small that it takes a donut at the starting. I'll check some other cars. hamster. It's very hard to drift because if you do the natural moves, then it's more easier to like. Oh, I still the 400 because I mean 4000 because I use the natural movements. That's why. Whew, that was hard, but I still tried. So I became level 6. So now maybe something will be opened for me. So the 3 level fix the left. Select to SD. So I have to go that side. Woo! Oh, 4000 up to I went like I broke the. Woo! That is a very good try. So now I became level 2 in the car form. So I need 4 more levels so that I mean 6 more levels or 4, I mean 5 more or 4 more levels to get that van. It's very hard, but still I have to try. So yeah, diggy diggy dom, diggy diggy dom. So I think so I have something new in the paint. So now this is the color, so I have to change the color for the tires also. Now for the rims I have something more new. So I'll go more inside and let's see what all is there. So I'll take the latest one, which is this. Actually I like 5 stars, like this I like, but still I'll try this once. Done. Now in the tire, maybe I have something new now. Yeah, this much only. So I'll do one more match and then I will go. Let's go. And with P1 and with P1 and with Lucky Pacha, Lucky Pacha, Lucky Pacha. Extract to SD and let's go. Extract to SD. That was not a good idea. Peace cracks. That was not a good idea, but still. But I could not go above 5,000. I wanted to go 5,000. Above 5,000. Shit, man, this is not good. So I can go again. I can win again, but I have to kill this guy. Oh, Moose. I have to beat Moose. It's very hard, but still I'll try. No, but wasting it a lot of time is not a good idea. Actually, I cannot do the perfect because I have buttons. That's why it's more harder for me to drift. I need to burn the tires, man. How to do this shit? Shit, man. I could not win early. The problem is with the car, actually. That was not good. But still, I will get one more time chance so that I can go more further. So no. Once if my targets burst, they will not give me the chance. I don't know why the game is stucking so much. How much I got? About 3 means maybe I didn't want. So I got the second place. Now they won't give me the chance. So guys, I hope you like my video, and the video ends here. And guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, do video and share and comment about it, and turn on the bell for my latest notifications, latest videos. And I hope you like my video. And guys, if you haven't on my channel, you can just turn on the bell, and so that whatever videos I am having, or whatever what you say as whatever videos are there, or oh, whatever videos are there, or the YouTube channel is there, it comes to you directly. So yes, guys, I'll try some big tires. You can even change the color. So yeah, now I don't have nothing new. So guys, I will see. So guys, thanks for watching.